my gosh. Okay, so it's early and why am I awake? I can't sleep. It is Sunday morning and I am gonna get dressed. We're having part 2 of the garage sale today. The weather is a little bit iffy. Here, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it. Blue sky today, but we are expected to have some rain, so we actually set up a little bit of a tent above where people are going to be looking, just to this is good morning. My hair is so whacked out. I have to go fix it and get dressed. I'm going to do a vlog for you today. All right, so let's get dressed, let's get started. We'll see you outside. Just do some waves in my hair. Not looking too good, but it's gonna have to do. I gotta stand out in the rain. Yeah, I'm not gonna do makeup today. It's Sunday, you know, it's that kind of day. So anyway, if you want to see a hair or makeup tutorial, leave me a comment and a thumbs up so I know, because I know a lot of you are asking about tutorials for makeup especially, so let me know. This is all the stuff we have left. Not much at all. We just had a lady come and she bought a ton of stuff, but look at, I don't know, we just have so many corporate things, jackets. Oh my gosh, guys, I almost wish I could send everything to you out there. This is what's left. Time for fueling number 2. I didn't show you fueling number 1 because I got up super early and ate it, but it was a chocolate mint bar. So I'm gonna go in now, make a shake, and I don't know, continue about our day. I do have to go to the store later, so I will bring you to ShopRite. I have to pick up a couple of food items. I'll bring you with me so you can see what I get. And let's go inside and make a shake. Chocolate shake, water and ice. Straw test passed. Woohoo! So it is so hot here right now. It's over 90. And the garage sale has me sweating bullets. So I'm having a bottle. Okay. Goodbye to the garage sale for now. So, guys, I just want to say, what's interesting is I did a post in the group yesterday about food is fuel and that's it, nothing more. And while most of us can agree with that, there were a couple people that didn't. I thought it was super interesting, and I feel like that is the mentality that keeps people stuck. The reason that human beings eat is to get nourishment, to get nutrition. That's it. Like, look at the animal kingdom. You don't go to the zoo and see a bunch of monkeys celebrating with a feast. You see them eating to survive. And that is what food is for. Humans, technically, we kind of revolve around food. That's what it's become. But that's not what the intent is. And that is why the human body, most of the time, gets sick, because we overeat, we overindulge. And most of the food that people eat is created in a lab. If you go to the grocery store, and I'm not talking about the aisles outside, you know, of the store, not the fresh fruit and vegetables, the protein, the eggs and things like that. I'm talking every aisle in the middle of a grocery store is pretty much junk. That's why people are sick, because if it's a birthday, they need to eat, they celebrate, they have cake, they do these things. If they're stressed out, food is a very, very good way that a lot of us use to comfort ourselves, because from sugar we get the serotonin boost, we get that high, we get that great feeling. And we learn that from a young age, especially here in the US. Everything revolves around food. And when I see posts that someone's going to, they're going on vacation, right? And it's an all-inclusive resort, and they're looking for suggestions on how they can go away and still be on program. it kind of baffles me a little bit, and I'm going to tell you why. When you book a vacation and it's all inclusive and you can leave your wallet home, that's awesome. Go enjoy your trip. Enjoy the ambiance, enjoy your company, enjoy the day, enjoy the travel. Don't get focused on the food. It's like a cruise. Have you guys ever been on a cruise? Wow. I've never been on one, but what I hear is the food is just all over the place. There's food. People get sick because they just overeat. They come home, they've gained like 6 pounds, 10 pounds, what have you. When you can go on vacation and you're not on Optavia, just whatever, do what you need to do. When you're on Optavia though, and you book a vacation or an event, a wedding comes up, something, don't look for a reason to get through that event with alternatives. Just stick to your plan. Just go and have a great time. It doesn't have to revolve around food. That's just it. And that's what I'm trying to say. When you make the commitment to get healthy, whether it be to get off medication, to lose weight, people go on Optavia for a lot of different reasons. And there's a lot of different plans to pick from. It's not just 5 and 1. Some people love to exercise, so therefore they may choose the plan that supports working out. Some people are diabetic and over the age of 50 and have thyroid issues. Shouldn't be on 5 and 1. And a lot of coaches don't do those assessments, and I've talked about that many times. And that's that if you join Optavia and your coach doesn't do a health assessment before you sign on, so that you know what program you're on supports your person, find another coach. There's no way that you could just on your own pick a plan, because unless you do your research, okay, and that's different. I'm talking about if you just have no idea what Optavia is, but your friend did it and they lost a lot of weight and you want to do it, you really need to set up a scheduled call with a health coach and talk about the different programs and really dive into what you're looking to accomplish, what your medical background is, what kind of conditions you have, what kind of medications you're on, how much weight you have to lose, are you male or female, are you PCOS, are you, like, there's a billion things that a health coach is really supposed to look into in order to recommend the right plan. So when you find that right coach and that right plan and you're on it and you have, like I was talking about 2 minutes ago, about an event, a vacation, whatever, just stick to the darn program. There's so much in life to enjoy when you're healthy. You know, when you're unhealthy and you're at a resort and it's an all-inclusive thing and you've just spent $400 for a month of food and you decide, well, I'm going to go off plan. That's a choice you make. I can't tell you what's right or wrong, but I just feel like it's a huge mistake, because then you're going to come home from vacation. You did enjoy it, but you're miserable now. And isn't it sad that you go on a vacation and you come home miserable? You should come home happy and excited and just feeling elated, right? And I'm not throwing everybody into the same bucket, so don't come hard at me. It's just a conversation I'm having. Because I see so often people are saying, you know, I got off track, I can't get back on, it's hard. It is hard. It is. That's why I always say don't jump off it. Stay on it. Stay on your plan. And if you do stay on it and choose the right things and the right plan for you, you'll reach your goal pretty quickly, pretty much. And at that time, if you have a good coach and they transition you the right way, next time you go on a trip, you can enjoy some of the food, but you're going to learn how to do it. That's the biggest thing. Every diet out there will work. Every diet, right? It's a reduction in calories, bottom line. The problem is a lot of people can lose weight on any program, but a lot of us say everything we've tried didn't work, and that's why Optavia is so wonderful. And that is true, even for me. Weight Watchers worked a little bit, but it really, this Optavia has been just a godsend. It changed my life. Hey, so I'm here in the grocery store and I want to show you a couple things that I'm going to be picking up.
Now, if you want to go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside.
Alright guys, so it's the end of the night, and as you saw earlier when I was at ShopRite, I picked up 2 packages of the very thinly sliced center cut pork chops. So I marinated them in a little bit of olive oil, garlic, onion, fresh ground pepper, and that is it. And I'm going to show you what my lean ingredient is. I sauteed, these are just the extras, I sauteed some mushrooms, and that's 2 servings of mushrooms, 30 grams of fresh spinach, which is 1 serving, and 6 ounces of the pork. What a beautiful dinner that is, and healthy. All right, so my good fat is the olive oil that I use to saute the mushrooms in. And that's my lean ingredient. So I hope you enjoyed today's little vlog. I know it was random, but that's what it was. Stay tuned tomorrow night, every Monday, 9 p.m. Eastern, on my Instagram, which is the same name as this channel, Felicia Nurse. I will be doing a live Q&A, so come on over there. Follow me on Instagram, all right? That should be exciting. So I'm gonna go eat my lean and green, and I'm gonna lead you to remember this. We can do this, yes we can, as long as we do it together. All right, I'll see you in my next video. I love you all, have a great night. Bye guys.